Apiculture, to be or not to be. Apiculture or beekeeping in permaculture farm is permaculture's dream because bees not only pollinate many of the native and introduced plants, but also they improve the pollination rate of many farm crops. Honeybees and native bees are an integral part of the pollination system, responsible for successful seeding of more than 90% of all flowering plants and for fruiting of 30% of our food. Honeybee are the only insect that store food in excess. Their part in high value commodity production, that is honey and wax, encouraged their introduction to America in the late 1600s by Europeans. Beekeeping is very suitable for permaculture farm because it follows the three key principles of permaculture. Earth care. We exist because of bee, because they help in pollination. Had there been no bee, there is no crop and hence no food for us. Therefore, caring for bee is caring for earth. People care. When we buy natural honey from beekeepers who keep them in a permaculture farm, we are caring for people. Fair share. Since bees share their bounty with us, keeping them in permaculture system, let us share our bounty, that is flowers and the nectars with them. Important things to consider for apiculture. First, we should learn about sustainable beekeeping from reading books or getting involved with your local beekeepers club. You should be aware of regulations and restrictions about placing beehives in your area. You should always buy your bees from a reliable local place to ensure their adaptability to local climate. Identify ideal location for beehives, and I'm going to describe this in next slide in detail. Always keep beehives away from farm animals as bees do not interact well with them. Ideal location for beehives. Face your beehive to the south in northern hemisphere, north in southern hemisphere, and east for areas close to equator. Your hive should be located on easily accessible, firm, dry, and well ventilated land. You should provide a windbreak at the rear of the beehive and put the beehive in a dappled sunlight. Avoid putting the beehive in deep, dark areas. Essential equipments for beekeeping. A beehive is the most important equipment for bee culture. Common beehives types are Longstrot, Top Bar, Ware, and Flow. The Longstrot hive is the most common style in use today and a favorite for new beekeepers. Longstrot hive consists of boxes that stack on top of each other. Top bar hive is the oldest hive design in the world. A horizontal top bar hive features wooden bar that are laid along the top of the long box. One-piece bars are used instead of four-sided wooden frame of the Longstrot design. Unlike the Longstrot hive that requires moving several heavy hive boxes, management of top bar hive is much easier on the beekeeper's back. The Wari hive created by Emily Ware in the mid 20th century. It's another top bar design. Instead of being a long horizontal top bar hive, the Ware hive is referred to as a vertical top bar hive. The flow hive system was invented in Australia by Cedar Anderson and his father Stuart Anderson in 2015. It is designed to allow honey to be extracted simply by turning a lever. The hive does not have to be opened and the bees are not disturbed as in normal extraction. These are the four most popular hive designs, but every style has pros and cons. It is up to you to decide which type of beehive best suits your goals and management style. Beehive choice also depends on number of hives you want to keep and whether you want to make money from honey. Other tools required for bee culture is stick chisel, veil, gloves, broom, and smoker. Stages in the life cycle of bee. The first stage is when queen lays the egg, is day one. Second stage, the eggs hatch and larvae emerge, day three. Third stage is when worker bee seals the larvae cells with a wax cap, day five. Fourth stage, larvae transform into pupae, day 12. Fifth stage, pupae transform into bees who chew through the wax cap and join the labor force, day 18. It takes 18 days from egg to adult for a worker bee and 24 days from egg to adult for a queen bee. Identifying the bee's caste. Bee colony is a finely tuned superorganism with about 40 million years of evolutionary backup. Understanding how they operate in a completely natural system is a good starting point for understanding their needs. Queen bee is the largest bee in the colony. Queen bee lives up to 5 years. Drones are males and much larger than the workers. They serve as a mating partner for the queen. Worker bees are the smallest bees and make up 98% of the population. They are female and perform many tasks such as housekeeping, nursing, foraging, guarding, etc. Many functions of beehive cells. The honeycomb is made of wax, which exudes from the bees themselves. It is multifunctional. Its hexagonal cells can house brood, that is, baby bees, pollen, nectar, which becomes honey. At any one time, a single honeycomb can contain brood, pollen, and honey all in different cells. Steps in honey extraction. First step is removing frame from the beehive, then smoking the hive. Third step is using blower to remove bees in the hive. Uncapping the frame with fork and putting the frame in a centrifugal machine to extract honey. Once honey is extracted, it is filtered and you get the pure honey after filtering the honey. Hive's location and flowering time and type tells us a lot about kind of honey we get. It's like wine. The taste and color of each batch of honey depends on what flowers we have visited.